Hey, so if your site feels a bit messy to navigate in 2026, customizing the navigation in SharePoint can make everything way easier to find. I'll walk you through it step by step. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, go to the site where you want to customize the navigation menu. Next, look for the navigation menu, usually on the left side or top, and click on Edit. Now click Add Link and enter the name and URL of the page, document, or resource you want to include. You can drag and drop links to reorder them or create sublinks for better structure. Yeah, you can also rename links or update their URLs anytime to keep things accurate. If something isn't needed, just delete it from the menu to keep your navigation clean. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply your navigation changes. So yeah, that's how you can customize SharePoint navigation in 2026. It makes your site easier to use and more organized. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.